Going on year 12, last day of home learning. I'm sure you're glad about that. I am looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. Okay, get some proper learning done again back in the classroom. Okay, so the probability that Josh scores a goal in a football match is 0.6 and that David scores is 0.3. Draw a probability tree to show this. Right, so I'm going to zoom this out a wee bit. So this probability tree is for Josh. So Josh, if he scores 0.6, that means that not scoring is 0.4. Okay, we'll extend it out twice now. It's for David. Probably he scores is 0.3. So obviously not scores is 0.7. Again, scores is 0.3. Not scores is 0.7. Right, so that's probability tree really completed. I would normally just go one step further and multiply them all out. So this would be 0.6 times 0.3, which is 0.18. The next one would be 0.6 times 0.7, which is 0.42. The next one is 0.4 times 0.3, which is 0.12. And lastly, 0.4 times 0.7, 0.28. Okay. Once you've done that, if you want to just check that you're right, if you add up all of your answers here, if they make 1, then you've got it correct. Okay, so there's your probability tree done. Next question, what is the probability that only David scores? Okay, so in order for David to score, Josh must have missed. So we're going to go down the fact Josh did not score and David did score. So that brings us to 0.12. So I'm going to zoom in here. 0.12. Okay. Next one, what is the probability that at least one of them scores? Okay, so that means that Josh could have scored and David scored, which is 0.18. So I'm just going to highlight that. Josh could have scored and David missed, so that's still at least one of them scoring. So that's fine, we can use that. And then also, Josh could have missed and David could have scored. So that would also have been at least one of them scoring. Alright. If they both miss, which is obviously the last one, so not score, that's not at least one of them scoring, so that's no use to us. So what we're going to do is we'll add these three values up. So 0.18 plus 0.42 plus 0.12. That gives me 0.72. So I'm just going to type in there 0.72. Okay, guys, that's a brief recap on probability trees. Just have a go at the first section. Don't worry about doing the apply bit, okay? All the best now. Good luck. See you Monday.